Sun Homestead. Today we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. We have had trouble finding chocolate that doesn't have bioengineered food ingredients, so we get wafers and then we just chop them down to be able to go into our chocolate chip cookies or whatever we're using them for. The first thing that we're going to start with today is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Dump that in our bowl. To that, we're going to add salt and baking powder. We will put the recipe in the description below. We're also going to add pure cane sugar and brown sugar. We're going to mix all this together. Once we have our sugars added, we want to blend well. This recipe calls for 1 egg, but the egg needs to be separated, the yolk from the white. We're going to add whichever one you want to first. But after each addition, we need to beat the batter very well to incorporate it through all the flour and sugars. That was our egg white, and here goes our egg yolk. At this point, we're also going to add our butter. It's 1½ sticks of unsalted butter. That's important to do the unsalted rather than the salted. And you can melt this, and then we'll need to let it cool for about 5 minutes. We just slipped ours out on the deck because it's pretty chilly today, and it cooled very quickly. We're also going to add our vanilla, and we're going to blend all this very well. Once we have it mixed well, we need to add our chocolate chips. And that's 1½ cups. But as I said before, we'll put the recipe in the description below. And this stirs a little hard, but with just a little bit of elbow grease, we can get it stirred throughout. Once we have all that stirred, we are going to cover this and we're going to chill it for 1 hour in the refrigerator. So while that's happening, we're going to head out and do chores, and then we'll be back to show you what it all looks like when they're on the cookie sheet. The cookies have to be rolled into balls. They're fairly large balls, but being able to be chilled, they do not spread out across the plate. They bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes.
They come out of the oven. They look really, really good. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and follow along on our YouTube channel, Morning Sun Homestead. Thank you.